Good morning, everybody. We have to discuss your second semester subject operations research for business decisions according to the VSK University Bellary. Then this chapter can be divided into two sessions. In first session, we have to go for discuss the introduction and basically first we have to come to know that what is operations. I think you can heard this word operations. Usually this word operation can be used in medical science. The physician or doctor cuts a human body for medical reasons in order to repair, remove, or replace an unhealthy or damaged part. The operations it may be concerned for major, minor, or it may be routine operations. And sometimes we can talk with about a rescue operation has been complicated by bad weather. Need to look at the logistics of the whole aid operation, or it may be mounted a salvage operation after the fire. Starting your business can be a risky operations like this. Then research, you know, the systematic study of any subject is concerned by collecting the required data and analysis of the data and implementation of the result. Basically, the term operations research was coined in 1940 by McCloskey and Threfton in a small town of Bordsey in England. It is a science that came into existence in a military context. During the Second World War, the military management of UK called on scientists from various disciplines and organized them into teams to assist it in solving the strategic and tactical problems relating to air and land defense of the country. It means that UK country has facing the military problems during the Second World War because of scarce resources. Then how the problem of military can be solved with available resources of the country. They called the scientists of different disciplines and asked them to give solutions how it can be solved. It means that scarce resources means it may be manual or militants is concerned, or air force planes are concerned, or it may be war equipments, now that is weapons, arms and ammunitions are concerned, how they can be moved from one place to another place, how we have to defeat the enemies with available limited resources. They were required to formulate specific proposals and plans for aiding the military commands to arrive at a decisions on optimal utilization of scarce military resources and efforts, and also to implement the decisions effectively. This new approach to the systematic and scientific study of the operations of the system was called operations research or operational research. Now, their aim is to how the war can be winning without actually fighting it. Now, it is sometimes possible. Therefore, the scientists are suggested certain models and solutions with using the operations research models and techniques. They defeated the enemies and they won in the war. Today, operations research is a mature, well developed field with a sophisticated array of techniques that are used routinely to solve the problems in a wide range of application areas. Basically, it is used in the military context in UK, but nowadays it is well developed. It can be used in almost all the fields. Operations research approach concludes with several examples of successful applications to typical problems that might be faced by an industrial engineer. Broadly speaking, an operations research project comprises three steps. First one is the building a model, second one is solving it, and third one is implementing the result. Building a model means that you have to go for taking a proposal, and the proposal is to be constructed, and the certain solutions now that can be given to solving it by using the mathematical techniques and tools, and they can be implemented and they can be tested what is the result of using this one. The development of operations research is concerned. In the years immediately following the end of Second World War, the operations research grew rapidly as many scientists realized that the principles that they had applied to solve the problems for the military were equally applicable to many problems in the civilian sector. Not only for the military is concerned, the techniques and principles can also be used in other civilian sectors, or it may be for business decisions or industrial problems are concerned, and making government policies is concerned. These ranged from short-term problems such as scheduling and inventory control to long-term problems such as strategic planning and resource allocation. The resource of the every business, it is quite common, and how the resource can be allocated and how they can be utilized on the profitable units. The allocation of the resources on profitable units can be avoided. Now they can be allocated only to the profitable units. The George Dantzig, who is in 1947 developed the simplex algorithm for linear programming. Now that is LP model. Provided the single most important impetus for this growth. Nowadays, linear programming remains one of the most widely used of all operations research techniques, and despite the relatively recent development of interior points methods as an alternative approach, the simplex algorithm with numerous computational refinements continues to be widely used. The second major impetus for the growth of operations research was rapid development of digital computers over the next 3 decades. With the help of the computers, we have to formulate the problems and solutions. This simplex method was implemented on a computer for the first time in 1950, and by 1960 such implementations could solve problems with about 1,000 constants. Today, implementations on powerful workstations can routinely solve problems with hundreds of thousands of variables and constants. Moreover, the large volumes of the data required for such problems can be stored and manipulated very efficiently. However, the period from 1950 to 1970, in 3 decades, was when these were formally unified into what is considered the standard toolkit for an operations research analyst and successfully applied to problems of industrial significance. The certain sections describes the approach taken by operations research in order to solve problems and explores how all these methodologies fit into the operations research framework. The operations research is a discipline that helps to make better decisions in complex scenarios by the application of a set of advanced analytical methods. It couples theories, results, and theorems of mathematics, statistics, and probability with its own theories and algorithms for problem solving. Applications of operations research techniques spread over various fields in engineering, management, and public system. Now you come to the definition of the operations research. Then there is no particular way how it can be defined and what is the particular definitions of the operations research. Different authorities or experts in the field of the operations research, they have given their own definitions. But the operations research is called decision science or operations analysis in the study of applying mathematics to business questions, where the questions arises before the business, then they have to apply the mathematical models and techniques and tools to find out the solutions of the business problems. According to C.W. Churchman, who is considered one of the pioneer of operations research, he defined as the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to problems involving the operations of a system so as to provide those in control of the system with optimum solutions to problems. We have to apply the certain methods, techniques, and tools to problem solving, then how they can be operated the system, and they have to be provide a good control over them to get the optimum solutions to the given problem. In simple words, the operations research as a systematic and analytical approach to decision making and problem solving. Now it is a simple and clear cut definition. Now it is one of the systematic method of studying any problem, and the problem can be analyzed in a proper way, and the decision can be taken to solve any problems are concerned. Then according to H.M. Wagner, the operations research is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. The management has to solve the any problem is concerned, then the problem solving method that should be the scientific one, then only it is required to modify or any changes that can be made according to the alternative courses of the action. On the basis of the definition of the operations research, then we have to discuss the characteristics of the operations research. Then first one is concerned for the optimization. The objective of operations research is to provide better performance in any given situation. The process of doing this involves a lot of data collection and analysis of problem outcomes. The process of optimization involves a critical analysis of all the available options and selecting the highly relevant ones. It means The objective function of every business is to maximization of the profit and reducing the cost of the production. Renewably, it has to get more profit and survive long period in the field of the business. Then we have to go for analyze the uh, problem. Then on the basis of the analysis, then we have to select best course of action from among the available courses of the action. And second one is concern for simulation. Before you move on with the selected options or methods to improve the overall result, you must be sure that the selected method is going to be beneficial. This part is ensured by the process of simulation. Now it means the computer techniques can be used to simulate the nowadays any problems are nowadays concerned. And the third one is concerned for probability and statistics. You know, probability means then where the future is uncertain, that can be estimated by using the probability techniques. Now they may or may not be happen in the future. Then in this regard, what is the probable error and what is the probable cost? What is the probable profit? Now that can be taken into consideration. In this model, mathematical algorithms are the best way to evaluate potential risks and predict the possible outcomes beforehand. Thus, operations research involves intensive use of statistical and mathematical approach to cover all the circumstances. Then we have to continue in the second session. The remaining the part of the first model is now that is concerned. Thank you.